Well, hello, this is Rosa. How are you doing, RCG Creations? We're bringing to you today a baked fish with lemon cream sauce. We got to use up we bought a whole thing of frozen fish, and hubby really doesn't like this fish. It's some kind of I think it's a cod, some kind of a cod, but I forget. I don't have the little package anymore because it's always frozen. So here's our fish. I took it out early this morning. Put it on some paper towels so it could thaw, and left it in the fridge to dry, so it would thaw it out naturally. So you get your fish, sprinkle both sides with salt and pepper. So you gotta rinse your fish. If it's frozen, make sure and pat it dry because it needs to be as dry as possible. Now we're gonna add our pepper. I hope I don't start sneezing. I got my fan on because I'm hot. Now I'll put it down, skin side down. Oh good, I have just enough for this dish. All my little smaller dishes are in the freezer because I made a bunch of freezer meals for the week because I knew I was going to be busy. Okay, now we're going to do this side. Salt and pepper. I don't have enough shake in my wrist. Nothing better than pound, pound, pound. Okay. I can't see if any salt is subtle. I can't see there's salt coming out. So I'm just going to make it easy on myself. I forget what kind of salt the hubby put in here. I knew, excuse me, I knew I was going to sneeze because that fan with that pepper, that's like, aww. Okay. I think that's good enough. I don't want to put too much salt. Get that out of the fan because I don't want no more. Oh, here comes another one. Okay, it didn't come. Alrighty, so you're going to put your oven at 300 degrees, but right now I'm baking some gratin potatoes. So as soon as they're done, I'm going to turn the oven back down to 200, and then this will be ready. You place your fish in your baking dish. You put the salt and pepper on both sides. It says don't cram it, make it lay flat, okay? And let me fix my apron. I'm sitting here already. My gratin potatoes, a little bit of a spillage. So I'm wearing my apron just to be on the safe side. Okay. Now we're going to put our, well, I got 4 tablespoons of all unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of cream, which is in the fridge, 1 to 2 garlic cloves minced. These are my minced garlic that I do ahead of time and I freeze. So when I took the fish out, I took the garlic out too. And they all stayed in the fridge and thawed out naturally. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1½ tablespoons of lemon juice, salt and pepper, and I have fresh squeezed lemon juice. Salt and pepper, which is over here already on the fish. 1½ tablespoons of eschallots, Eschallots. I don't know how to pronounce that. It says French onion, but basically it's chives. Because I saw here on the thing, the chives are the small onion, also called French onion in Australia, and just simply shallots in the U.S. But I got my fresh, this morning, as I went to water, I got my fresh green onions, and I'm using that. I don't really care too much for shallots all that much, but I do love green onions, and that's close enough for me. Hubby could care less because he don't like onions anyway. Okay, and then you want to use fresh parsley and lemon slices on top to decorate and make it all nice and pretty, but I'm not into all that. I'm just into the taste. So that's part's done. Now we're going to place the butter, the cream, let me get my cream, the garlic, the minced garlic. I've already pre-measured my heavy cream because I make my heavy cream out of my powder mix. So it's already been pre-mixed. Make sure it says it all. Butter, cream, garlic, mustard, salt and pepper in the microwave. Oh yeah, butter, cream. Okay. Butter, cream, garlic, mustard, lemon juice, salt and pepper in a microwave-proof jug. Oh, how much salt and pepper do I use? Okay, I'm just going to pour some. It didn't say, so I'm just going to pour some. Now I can see it shaking out now. I'm not going to put a whole lot because I already have some on the fish. Okay, so let's go put this in the microwave. Microwave for 2 to 30 second burst, stir it in between as it melts. Let's go put this in the microwave. And while that's happening, I don't know if y'all know this, but you got these little shears, and they have 5 blades on them. But this is really great. That's how I sliced all these little shallots, green onions, fresh from my garden this morning. And it didn't take no time at all. Now I'm just going to dehydrate these because I have so much green onion now. I don't need any more. I'm good to go. So let me go stir that right quick. And I'll talk to you as I go along. And then what we'll do is when that's done, microwave for 30, stir in between until melted and smooth. Sprinkle the fish with the shallots, then pour over some sauce. Oh, so sprinkle some of these already on there. So let's sprinkle some of this on there. Okay, yeah, you can see me. I want to make sure I'm in frame. Okay. And you want to save some of these for later to put on top. So I'll wait and save the rest of them for later. Okay. Sprinkle the fish with shallots, then pour over some sauce. Then we're going to bake the whole thing. And then in 7 to 10 minutes, we're done. Oh. There goes my hot rotten potatoes. They're done. Okay. Am I surprised that my oven went from 350 down to 200? It's already preheated? I knew it was going to be that way. Okay. Now I'll just stir this up. What is this? Oh, that's just... I was supposed to make some pumpkin cupcakes. I might get to them tonight. It's already 7:45. I'm getting kind of tired. I might still make some later tonight. I don't know. Okay. So that's all mixed up pretty good. Sprinkle the fish with the shells and pour over the rice. Bake. Remove from sauce. Okay, remove from the tray, but we're going to bake this. It smells really good. There's all my little garlic. I'm going to get all that goodiness out of here. Oh, that's dirty dishes. Dirty dishes. Oh, but I was telling you about my little multi-cut scissors. Came with a little pick, so you just pick the stuff that's inside. But it saves you so much time when you're doing multi-cutting. I'm going to sprinkle that garlic over. I want garlic on all sides of on all the fish. I'm going to sprinkle some of that sauce over on top because I want to make sure that all that, the top of the fish is coated also with, I need to move that fish out of the way. There's little tails in the way. It's not letting me put some sauce over. Here, let me go this way. There we go. Just want to make sure that that fish has got some sauce on it. You know what, I'm going to not do this. I'm going to use my same spoon. It ain't going to hurt none. There we go. I just want to make sure there's sauce all over as it's baking. Because it's only going to bake for 10 to 12 minutes. So, because if it doesn't, that's one thing about fish, it doesn't take long to cook. Oh, here's a spot. I want to make sure every part of the fish is coated. So, doesn't that look pretty? Let's go put it in the oven and we'll come back and we'll do a taste test. Okay, we are back. It's baked out of the oven. Since my tripod's still broken, I'm going to come to you. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And smells so good. Let's do the best part of all. Let's do the taste test. Got my plate right here. See how much the fish shrank after that it baked? And it soaked up all those juices. So there you are. Look at that. Now, let's taste it. Oh, just sprinkle a little bit of fresh shallots on top, because I love them. I'm going to cut in the middle. Oh yeah. I'm going to show you. Look how nice and flaky that is. I know my lighting's terrible, but unfortunately it's all I can do. You see how flaky that is? So that means the fish is done. Now let's taste it. I don't like the skin on a fish. I would like to take it off. But that's just me. That actually came off. You get a little bit of shallot, a little bit of the fish. Definitely can taste the fish. You can taste the butter, the garlic. I don't really taste the cream too much. I would definitely say add a little bit of salt. But I'm going to be honest with you, I thought I put way too much salt on top of that fish. And it could actually use a little bit more salt. So, but it didn't really tell you how much to put. I'm just taking the skin. I just personally don't like to eat the skin. And that little piece I'm going to because it's really thin. Do another little bite. This is the end part. I'll actually just do the end part right here. Flaky fish, cooked wonderfully. I will definitely make this again. The only thing is, okay, that part had a little bit too much salt. So I think you just got to be careful and layer it a little bit more even. But anyway, I think we've got another win here. And this is my baked fish with lemon cream sauce. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.